How to buy a safe portable crib. A portable crib or travel crib can provide a safe haven for a baby when a full-sized crib isn't an option. If you travel frequently, or are planning a trip, you should select a travel crib that's right for you. Look into safety first. You want to select a crib that will keep your baby safe while traveling. You should also think about the crib's material, its ease of use, and your personal needs. With some time and research, you can select a safe, portable crib for your baby. Part 1: Assuring Safety. 1. Buy a new crib. Older cribs may not meet modern safety standards, which are important to your baby's well-being. Always opt to buy a new crib when searching for a portable crib. Older cribs may also be worn down. Things like loose screws could harm your baby. When looking at cribs, check the box for the production date. A new crib does not necessarily mean the crib is safe. You should look into other factors when considering safety. 2. Choose a crib with breathable sides. At least 3 of the crib's sides should be made of mesh fabric. Preferably, all 4 sides should have mesh fabric. This assures that the crib has proper ventilation, keeping your baby safe. If the crib has slats, make sure they are no more than 2-3/8 inches apart, about the width of a can of soda. This is a mandatory standard, but it's good to check. 3. Check for a firm mattress. A firm mattress is vital to an infant's well-being. If a mattress is too soft, a baby could suffocate. When looking at cribs, opt for a firm mattress. If there is a mattress pad, there should be very little space between the mattress pad and the mattress. A baby could roll into this gap and suffocate. Stay away from soft and cushy bedding. This can increase the risk of your baby suffocating. Make sure to buy sheets that fit your mattress properly. Portable crib mattresses may be smaller than regular crib mattresses. 4. Avoid drop sides. Drop sides are a special means to make it easier to remove your baby from the crib. These sides drop down when you need to get your baby out, however, they can be dangerous. Drop sides have been linked to 32 deaths over the past decade. Stationary sides, while less convenient, are far safer for your baby. 5. Examine a crib for damage prior to purchase. Even new cribs can come with some damage. You should always carefully inspect a crib prior to purchase. You do not want to buy a crib that is falling apart. If you buy a painted crib, check the paint. Paint should not be flaky or peeling. Any decorations, like ribbons or bows, should be removed. Make sure there are no cracks, splinters, and rough edges on the crib. 6. Make sure a crib has not been recalled. Do a quick online search on the brand and type of crib you're purchasing. This should indicate whether a recall has been issued for that crib recently. You should never purchase a crib that has been recalled by the company, as it probably comes with a number of safety risks. Part 2: Considering your needs. 1. Think about how the crib will be used. If you just need a crib for sleeping and short play sessions, there's no need to get a crib with a lot of special features. However, if you plan to use the crib often, you may want to look into a pricier model. Things like a bassinet and a diaper changing station may be helpful if you'll be using your crib a lot. 2. Consider how much you will move the crib. If the crib will be moved a lot, you'll want to know how wide it is before purchase. You want to make sure it does not have to be disassembled to be moved from room to room. Some cribs also have wheels. If you're going to move your crib a lot, a crib with wheels may be a good option for you. 3. Weigh in the frequency of your trips. If you travel all the time, you will want a lightweight crib. Some portable cribs are quite heavy and require a lot of assembly. Look into a crib that's less than 30 pounds if you travel a lot. You should also select a crib with relatively easy assembly. Most portable cribs come with a carrying case or bag with straps to help carry them comfortably. If you do not travel a lot, a sturdier, heavier crib may be okay. If you only have to set up the crib once or twice a year, ease of assembly and weight may not be as big of an issue. Part 3: Selecting a material. 1. Opt for more natural materials. More natural materials tend to use less chemicals than synthetic fabrics and foams. Certain chemicals may irritate your baby. Read the material label on a crib. Look for a crib without a long list of materials, especially chemical materials. Flame retardants can potentially be dangerous for a baby. Opt for a crib that does not use flame retardants. 2. Consider a cloth or wool mattress pad. There are many different mattress pad options. A cloth or wool cover may be right for you if you're looking for a more organic option. 100% cloth covers use less chemicals than vinyl or synthetic covers. One major downside to cloth pads is they're more difficult to keep clean. Babies are messy, and diaper leaks will soak into a cloth cover easily. Wool pads may be easier to wash than cloth covers. 3. Look into waterproof pads. You can often find pads that contain organic ingredients, but also some waterproof materials. Waterproof pads contain an ingredient called polyurethane. Check the materials list for this ingredient. If you're worried about chemicals, look for a waterproof pad that is labeled as lead and phthalate free. 4. Check for latex cushioning. Some mattresses contain latex cushioning. While this may not prove a problem for many babies, some babies have a latex allergy. If your baby has a latex allergy or has a medical condition that puts them at risk for latex allergy, look for a mattress with non-latex cushioning. Part 4: Finding an easy, to use crib. 1. Look at weight and size. You want to make sure you pick a weight and size that meets your needs. Portable cribs can range greatly in weight and size. A smaller, lightweight crib is great if you're looking for something to take on trips. Look for a minimalist design, and a crib that weighs around 12 to 15 pounds. If you're placing a crib in a second location permanently, like your parents' home, opt for a heavier, sturdier crib. 2. Consider how long a crib takes to clean. You will end up washing your crib a lot, so make sure a crib is fairly easy to clean. Look for a crib that has more machine washable parts. It can help to read reviews online. Some consumers may report how long it took to clean the crib. 3. Find a crib that's easy to assemble. Most cribs include some details in the description about assembly. It can help to look up assembly instructions online when selecting a crib. Look for a crib that comes with fairly simple instructions, especially if you'll be traveling a lot with your crib.